How to repost a story on Instagram. You can only do this if someone has mentioned you in their story. First, go to your direct messages and check if anyone has tagged you in a story. If you see a mention, open it and you'll find the option Add to your story. Tap it and it will take you to the story posting page. Next, tap the forward icon, then choose whether you want to share it to your story or only with close friends. After that, click Share and then Done. That's it. Your story has been successfully reposted. But what if they didn't mention you and you still want to share their story? In that case, take a screenshot or screen record the story while viewing it and save it to your phone. Before you do this, it's a good idea to send them a DM asking if they're okay with you sharing their content. Once you have their permission, go to your story, tap the plus icon, select the screenshot or screen recording, and tap Post. And that's how you can repost someone's story. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful content.